Welcome back, everyone. Today's video comes to us out of Florida, where FWC contacted two anglers fishing in federal waters on the Gulf. Now, as they approached the vessel, they activated their emergency lights before watching an angler discard a red snapper over the side of the vessel. As you'll see in the video, the officers were not very happy with this, and that could actually lead to an additional criminal charge, so let's get into it.
Hey! Hey! Quit throwing fish! Fish and wildlife.
You know all these other songs?
I don't want it, huh?
Alright. How we doing? That's good.
Good, man. Hey, why'd you throw that fish over, man?
Yeah, I just pulled it out.
Okay. Well, don't do that when somebody's pulling up. FWC, law enforcement, anybody's pulling up.
That we gotta throw over too.
Huh?
We got one more we gotta throw.
Alright, well, let's leave him in the floorboard.
How many fish y'all got? Anything good? A couple of red grouper in here.
Yeah, make sure no more come off the deck, man.
You want to get on there?
Yeah, I'll come back. Yeah, I'll come back. It's calm enough. I'll come back. That boat's too small. Where y'all out of? Indian Bass.
Who's cat? You? Your boat?
If you just step over there, you can't sit down. Don't go in the water.
Whatever. Toss him back too. We were just catching him, so we need to send him overboard. Oh shit, he shrunk.
Oh, what is that noise? Is that trolling motor?
Motor, yeah.
Where y'all from?
Niceville.
What y'all doing this way?
Fishing.
Fishing? Come over for y'all stay in the night, or y'all drive all the way over?
Drive over here. This is, well,
Just leave him right there for right now. We're fishing to send him over.
that one was 20. It shrunk. I'm telling you, we measured that.
We measured
Unless this is off, because we measured them here.
Yeah. And throw that other one back.
Not that one.
No, that one.
This one?
The one that's still kicking so much.
Oh, get him alive. His stomach's blowed out. Oh, there
Is that the small one?
No, that one was the small one.
Right here.
Okay, so if you're going to be fishing offshore for reef fish, you are legally required to have a descending device or a ventilation tool. The descending device has to be rigged and ready to go, and without it, you're effectively releasing the fish to die. If you haven't already, be sure to check out returnthemright.org. They have a free 15-minute online training class, and qualified anglers can receive $100 worth of release gear for just the cost of shipping and handling. We're gonna have a link to their website down below.
So what's all this, man?
Yesterday's.
Yesterday's?
Yeah.
So why do you bring yesterday's on the board, on the boat?
Just because we haven't got around to throw them in the fridge. We just iced them back up and came back out.
Okay, well, you cannot have fillets on board your boat while you're fishing.
Even the day before?
No. No.
Really?
Really? Really? So that, you know what that looks like? Is that you've been catching fish and you filleted fish out here. Whether or not that's what you did, that's what it looks like.
I guess I can see that, yeah.
So, anywhere in the state of Florida, most other states too, I can vouch for, you cannot possess fillets while you're on board actively fishing. What is all in there?
I think that's it.
No, what is it? Grouper or snapper or what? I mean, huh?
Or reds.
More reds.
Yeah, amberine, I think.
And a what?
Amberine, I think.
Yeah. How many?
For amberjack?
A lesser amberjack?
I think so, yeah.
You didn't catch a lesser amberjack out here. They're only, you're not, it's probably a juvenile grader. But
That was definitely unintentional.
what's in here? Start closing. Okay.
I'd fix these too.
Yep, you can fix those. Y'all have your fishing license, guys?
Yes, sir.
Where y'all staying at when you're over here?
We just go for the day. We can go back home.
So where'd you catch these yesterday at?
Out here.
So y'all drove all the way back to Niceville yesterday, then come all the way back over here?
Leave first thing in the morning.
Gotcha.
3 o'clock.
Alright. Alright.
I just pulled him in.
Well, you can bend him and throw him back. For now, I mean, when we're pulling up, whether you just caught him or not, leave him on the deck, because we also have a charge because failure to allow inspection.
And
So whether you just caught
I
it,
didn't even notice you guys had the little blue lights blinking on there, and I just was kind of tossing them over.
okay. Y'all have your driver's license, guys.
Yeah.
So, what's gonna happen? We're in federal waters, so we have a federal officer on board, but we will be documenting everything federally, okay? Not issuing a citation. We document the violations, send it to those guys, and they decide what to do with it, okay? So, fillets, cannot have those on board, period. State waters, federal waters, any of it. When we're coming up, NOAA's coming up, anybody stop you on the water, do not throw a fish everywhere we're born. Yep, they do. Also, I mean, the red grouper's a little short, it's not in the world, but you also make sure, as long as we're not pulling up, make sure y'all are getting them fish back in as soon as you can. Not just like, I know you get hot on the catch, but the ones that you're not keeping need to be going back in the water, because that also does not look good when you get checked. So y'all have your life jackets and all that stuff too.
Here, pass me.
Hey, Doc, what kind of fish you say was in the bag?
Reds?
What is it?
Red groupers?
I want you to be.
Yeah, we're already to the point now where it's gonna be better if you just be honest with when you caught them. Is y'all on?
We can have it. We can take
Yeah.
it, but it's not red. It's not red grouper.
Yeah, there's a couple snapper.
Okay.
What's that?
Couple snapper.
It's pretty much all snapper. There's one little amberjack looks like in there.
I thought that was the
A
lesser.
little jack.
Nah, you're not gonna catch a lesser, especially right here. No, anything you're probably gonna catch are gonna be juvenile graders. So, okay. When did you catch the snapper? Just now? Gotcha. Gotcha. You want me to board back or just stay where I'm at?
Are you doing state?
I was gonna go. Do you want me to do federal?
Yeah,
Where are we at? We're in federal waters, aren't we?
yeah. But with it being snapper though.
Well, it's cleaning up the meats of everything.
Mitchell says better.
Alright.
Yeah, we'll pick up on.
Is there any red grouper in that bag, or what all's in that bag? You know that?
Snapper.
Just snapper. And then the amberjack. Gotcha. Man, y'all said send it today, an 18-foot boat offshore, didn't you? Well, we don't have to send that stuff off for testing and you end up having to pay for it eventually in the long run. Would you like to provide a statement of what's in that bag?
Quantities or just what's in there?
What's in it?
Yeah.
Yeah?
Yeah.
Hold on, that's the wrong one. Yeah, that's not the biggest thing is the snapper, man. Y'all got to cut up. So I mean, we can get it all tested. We send it to their lab and then they test it. But what it'll come back down to possibly, I mean, you have to pay for all the testing. So you tell us what it is and we just roll with it like that. But sure rights up top, I can read them to you. You have the right to remain silent. Anything you say can and will be used against you. And if you consent to answer questions now without a lawyer present, you will still have the right to stop answering at any time. And that's up to you, ma'am.
What we want to do with it.
Yeah, that's up to y'all. Like I say, if we were to ride it state, then we do seize it. But when we ride it federal, we don't. Alright, guys. You're first. Like I said, this is all documented on one of our citation forms, but this is not a state citation. It's just these are the violations that were observed and go to the report to them. You will be contacted by NOAA. It could be a month. It might be 6 months. It just depends on their caseload. They review the case and decide what to do with it from there. I just need you to sign on there at the bottom. It's not a admission of guilt. Just saying you're accepting that paper copy. Like I said, guys, it is up to y'all what y'all do with them fish. I'm not telling you which way down the other. Same thing.
Where do I sign?
Down there at the bottom, not a admission of guilt. Saying you're accepting that paper copy. Like I said, y'all, and it's at gmail.com. Okay. They're gonna call you, but they'll send you some stuff over email too sometimes.
Hopefully they call and I'll check mine.
Yeah. 95% of the time y'all call them like in there, don't you, Mitchell? Like about the case, like y'all won't send them emails till like after you've been in contact. Will you find that? Did you throw that short grouper back? I just need to take a picture of it. Will you find it real quick?
We threw back apparently a legal one.
Okay. Well, if y'all did, he say you could find
I
it.
see it floating back there.
Alright, that's just a warning for the horn and the flares.
The horn not working?
It's empty. It's just a warning. Just get a new one.
Will do.
I swear he was talking inches, dude. I
This.
I don't know if they really do shrink on ice.
We measured it on that side. Can I see if that horn lines up with this?
Yeah.
I just don't know, you know. I'd assume whoever made this was smart enough to correctly put measurements on it, but maybe not.
He put that his board and compare.
That's what we're gonna do.
Because the small one was 20 inches. It was right around 20 inches. So.
Yeah.
He's not terribly.
You'd actually be surprised.
Shoot, but pinching the tail, he's only a 1/4 inch.
Do they shrink on ice, really?
Not really. Digital, the coolers could be on.
Yeah,
Like
here.
We measured them on that.
Okay. Granted, that is the least of y'all's worries with everything.
Yeah, it's about an inch off.
That's no good.
Yeah, that's what I always put when you get them sea decks on there.
Yes, they can shrink it.
They probably contract and everything with the sun, and they don't always put them on uniform. So, well, guys, be careful going back in. Yes, sir.
Yeah, hey guys, appreciate y'all's cooperation.
Yeah, no problem.
We might be limping back in with one motor too ourselves. So, hey, if y'all need anything, we'll be on 16 monitoring. Help out if y'all get by. Take care, guys.
Now, since the violations took place in federal waters, the officers decided to refer the case over to NOAA. With the charges being federal, we don't have access to the same court records like we normally would if this took place in Florida. Now, with that said, we do have access to the officer's report. The officer's report lists potential charges, including possession of an undersized red grouper, possession of an out-of-size greater amberjack, 2 counts of finfish not being intact, and possession of red snapper during a closed season within the EEZ. As a reminder, the EEZ line extends out to 200 nautical miles in most places, with it being less in some areas like between Florida and the Bahamas. Now, according to NOAA's fine schedule, for illegal red snapper on the first offense is a base fine of $500 plus $50 per fish. Of course, this does not take into account the other fines the anglers were potentially facing, so it's possible they were fined closer to $1,000. Anyways, that's it for today's video. If you like fish and wildlife content, be sure to check out our other channel. As always, thanks for watching.